volume of traffic at this hour. It doesn't seem to be too congested right now.
No, it's kind of amazing, Lance, that it's not as congested as it is now. Shields Boulevard is kind of congested, but looking up to the west, it appears to. I mean, it's heavy traffic, but it's all moving very good. No congestion, no stop and go at this time. We'll be coming up to Walker. We are westbound on I-240 coming up to Walker. I'm going to switch over to the Oklahoma City approach and let you have it for a minute, Lance and Meg.
Okay, thank you, Jim. Again, people just joining us, let's catch you up on this. We are told this started in Del City at Southeast 15th and Bryant. This is a stolen car, we're being told. This chase has now been going on for, I believe,
close to 35
to 40 minutes. That's right.
There are several law enforcement agencies involved in this pursuit, including the Oklahoma Highway Patrol. It was started by the Del City Police. It looks right now like the OHP officer is trying to bump the back of that car.
It's like they spun him out.
He spun out. Now heading backwards. Where was it?
Oh, my goodness.
That's unbelievable. That is unbelievable. This person has the lives of a cat. He's going to try it again.
They're going to try it again.
I have never seen anything like this.
I feel like we're watching kind of a bad movie. And you're going to try it on the other side.
We are still going westbound. They're trying to spin him out here on I-240 down at 3 times.
3 times is not a charm.
Have him here.
Okay.
It looks like he may be coming to a stop here.
There we go. It worked. Third time worked. Now he's going in reverse.
They're trying to corral him, but boy.
He is not giving up. No, this is unbelievable.
3.6 right now.
He's over the curb. He's in the grass. He's hit something that has stopped him.
OHP troopers out, guns drawn, surrounding the car.
And Oak City approach 4 Tango.
He is still fighting, though. Look at this. He is still fighting all the way to the ground. His shoes are off.
Right now, we are probably about 2 to 3 miles directed.
Suspect is in custody, but it has...
The suspect is in custody. The Oklahoma Highway Patrol, Oklahoma City Police, all in pursuit. It began at about 10 minutes before 5 o'clock as a report of a stolen vehicle.